The research consortium consists of two universities, both with very strong neuroscientific backgrounds. One is the University of Duisburg-Essen, where Uli is located, and the other one is the Ruhr Universität Bochum, where I am working. In Bochum, we always had a very strong systems neuroscience. In parallel, we saw the development of a cognitive science and a philosophy of mind. These two entities of research melted on the long run, and now we have a very, very strong cognitive neuroscience that reaches from the molecular level up to the philosophy of mind. And in parallel, we joined forces with the University of Duisburg-Essen.
And in Essen, we have a strong focus on behavioral, translational and clinical neuroscience, but also links with psychology, computer science and engineering. Our consortium thus now combines the best of two excellent universities in the heart of Germany to form a nationally and internationally unique research platform for neuroscience and beyond.
We think that memory is about the past, but that's wrong. Memory seems to be about the past, but it is a tool for the future. It helps us to survive the next day, the next month, the next year. So memory accumulates the knowledge about the world. But this knowledge has to change constantly because the world around us is changing. So, but how does it change? It changes by different steps that proceed from the beginning to the end every day. In the beginning, we have a memory about anything that happens in the world. We use this memory to have a prediction about the next step, about the next future. Then we plan a cognitive event, we act within this situation, and then we encounter a feedback. If this feedback is different from what we had expected, we change our memory. The implication is unbelievable. My biography is changing every day. My memory is changing every day. And by this, I am making new predictions about the future. And what we want to know is this full circle, up to the details. How does it work? From memory to prediction, to cognition, to feedback, to the alteration of memory. That's what we are going to study.
So we want to generate an in-depth understanding of these complex and highly dynamic processes from memory formation to the development of future-directed cognitions, and to understand how these processes interact with an individual's physiological and pathophysiological state. We will take a highly interdisciplinary approach to analyze these intricate interactions from the molecular and cellular microcircuits up to the system's physiological level. Our consortium will thereby foster novel developments with strong translational implications to sustain mental and physical health, and to identify novel targets for the treatment of widespread disease such as chronic pain or addiction. There are at least three features. The first is the cross-fertilization between basic science and real-life applications. We are not aware of any other consortium that combines neuroscience from its molecular and cellular microcircuits over to the translational and clinical perspective, up to questions about the philosophy of mind. Second, our research program is on the one hand rooted in a strong theoretical foundation, yet the large-scale analysis of multidimensional data and application of advanced computational methods, including AI, also allow for novel data-driven discoveries. And third, our third and unique capital are the people. We attract students, scientists and clinicians from the Ruhr metropolitan area, a highly diverse region with more than 5 million inhabitants, which have undergone a brave cultural change from coal mining to become a thriving hotspot for innovation, science and research.